Hello everyone, welcome back to series of Java programming. In this video we are discussing passing arguments by value in Java. We will discuss one simple example. Here we have defined a class A, then this is a main method, and in main method we have defined a simple variable of type integer and we have assigned value 10 to this variable, and we have called this modify function and pass x as a parameter to this method, and then this system.out.println is displaying the value of x. Now when this program will run, after assigning value 10 to x, this modify method will be called, and once this method is called, the program control will be shifted to the definition of this method. And in this method you can see here the value x that we have passed here will be received in integer type of variable data, and this we are modifying value of this data variable. Instead of 10 we are putting value 20. After execution this program control will be shifted back here, and here we are displaying x, and the value of x will be displayed as 10, not 20. Why is it so? Because this concept is a passing arguments by value. We are passing value of x and this value is getting copied in this data variable, and we are not actually changing value of x, only the value of variable x is copied in this data variable. This is the concept behind call by value. You can see here this is a stack memory. In stack memory, first of all integer type of x variable with value 10 is initialized, and then this integer type of data variable, initial value of data variable is 10 because we have copied this value 10 to data, and next we are modifying the value of data. So when you are printing value of x, this 10 will be displayed and it will not be 20. This is the concept behind call by value. We see one more example of this. Here class B we have defined, and this is a main method. In main method we have created one variable of type x and increment, we have called increment method. The definition of this increment method is here, and in increment method value of x is we are passing as a argument, that is integer x will be received as argument, and we are incrementing the value of x here and we are displaying the value. So here output will be 2 because the value we are passing is 1 here, and this 1 will be incremented and then the value will be 2 here, and here after coming back the control to this point the value will be 1 here because we are out of the block, and the value of x is the old value which is in this main method. So this is the concept behind call by value. In the both this example we have discussed that when we are passing value as a parameter, in that case that value will be copied in the another variable and it will not affect its original value. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel to see more videos on this topic.